Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can close a Discord server. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course make sure that you've already logged into your Discord account, and once you're here, you will just basically have to look for for your own server that you would want to close. So what you will have to do is basically just click this drop down icon right here. So just go ahead and click that, and then you will see server settings and click that as well. And now what you will have to do is you will click delete server, which is right here, and then just go ahead and type in your server name so that you will be able to confirm the deletion. And by the way, this deletion will be permanent, so make sure that you've already saved everything from your Discord server before proceeding to the deletion. So that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.